Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel to kon ke ler bu kona ling Ramkel Mela senior official ka SPLM chetiai show ka bon mudadien and bono mo jen bu kona kula lado ki jen le dana gore de nyaka yekel senior official dana chijen ka kume kirma yadit shawa ka kume mudadien jen bu kon lingone gore no jen bije nywaka nasen ko ken kami jira ma jidit ka Noor Online TV channel gore jen wo jin der subscribe ka der notification bell der je twany ba ko de ler me de ler kon lalat ka gwas me de ken kula mala shu gwas ne tin kon gor kon ken wo de ko tin ken yam chaje yal ken wo baje kwen ya ka tok nwari aduno ken yam ba gor no kadit kon don ko ka tok na ke don chilling gor jen wo ba lawr kwen yo ke jok nyam chana mroj ka ta dan inshallah ke je ka tok na gwasame an ler banling SPLM official chetiai shewe ka bon mudodien an bon dodien mo jen bokon kulo gor teme bananga che bon dien chetiai chewten gwaze dan chana roi ka kor gwaze dan no shte ka senior official michi jien ka kume kirma yadit ka SPLM chew cha jien ka tele je party mi chewten ki tele bon mi chewten entame jen chi akula nene wo entame chete ka le dien mi shimal mi shibenen tame go charo je party dodien mi she join jen bokon kulo link kelone Ramagu Yaname, a former senior member of the Sudan People Liberation Movement, KSPLM, Borgad Wechkwany. Jen Chwale Borgad Wechkwany, Jen a senior official ka KSPLM, ka Gwasedan, che kula nyoko jen, che resign ke che roda wuch ka party dung kirma yadit. Antama jen cha hula do che nyoka jen antama che roda gur part do dien ke bon brodien, che tiai ka kuma kirma yadit ka che ka bon mishal ke Real Sudan People Liberation Movement mensual ke RSPLM Real Sudan People Liberation Movement jen bon ke party mi chal ke soma no wal ka gwase dan chikan kule nyoko mi chal kana no Real Sudan People Liberation Movement en bondi ne dan ne ken yam chale South Sudan Opposition Movement Alliance jen chure dan e teken ke je gwade dan e ken ken ne nyoko chur nyok antame jen bon dana che wutin ke che tiai tin ka jen bon dana bichong ke jakel bor gadwi kwan jena ka kuma kir mayadit ko chela do nene jena kir mayadit chene tin kon ne pinde che ka gwich alo kana ke che chunkel ka ka che idea jari de bo jeng chi gor no de rach ke tem go de lar che gor no ba jowdu ba jaling ka chi kuma kir mayadit che dier kamal e cha tan karon kin dang re wal badak re wech ka katum ke ga Sudan a jene namo che dier ka je an wo de mal de jela let chi kuma kir ma yadi che dier ka kuje mo a jene dane jen ka ko gwano bete pinra ma dier ko de mal dare ben re ka so Sudan a jene jen dane jen ka je en borga do kwany gwasame en bonan che wutin men kwala sholi soma ki Real Sudan Liberation Movement no jen e bon kel miti ping kiere walan bona mo men shal ka soma tika kel ga kirma yadi no shi kula shi ruden kula woy ka jen pad dun kirma yadi shi ka ruden chu mo ka bonden ke parden a jen bona mo ne tika ping kirma yadi na wal dung do shi ka ruden wo mo ka bon mo den ka shi ka ruden mo ka official ko ken tika kel ke ala o shi ruden mat gwaskel ko biken so Sudan ba biken le na rajba an bon en chawutin te kel ka bon dang diokten kon tetere which ka Kenya latin lat ka mala chal ke man peace initiative kan bon dang diokoto kel ke soma chal ka ken wo e ka bon dang wan chu kana chu chalo chal ke UPA lo de ni United People Alliance ke bon to chodian mat chicken de ni ke ni kana mat gwaskel chicken kwar do de ni kana kwany makeb de ni ken dial kan bon dang wan to chikan pagana mum chikan kwanya lo jala kwar UPA ne ke United People Alliance munyono jawo kan bon ten content churun mat gwaskel de dien ke military dien te gwa kela mo ajen dan churun matin ko jene ne de ti no kan no bi South Sudan bata kamal ka kujemo chetti ay chew ka charo da wo ka kum kirma yadit ajen dan en de yana leng gwas me be gorno be je kwen je ka dob dan chalat ke je ke English ngai to ko wayne bi shuling ka dob dan de linga je gwad dan chaje gortin ki gwad dan en chaje lat ji ene ko ne lat ke news ne ki lari re wich ka South Sudan chalat de nene a former senior member of the Sudan People Liberation Movement or SPLM, Borgadwe Kwany has declared allegiance to the opposition Real Sudan People Liberation Movement. Kwany recently resigned from SPLM over alleged neglect and what he said was the government failure to implement a critical reform outlined in the 2018 revitalized agreement on the resolution of conflict in South Sudan. RSPLM is a breakaway faction of President Salva Kiir Mayardit, SPLM party, a member of the United People Alliance, or UPA, formerly known as the South Sudan Opposition Movement Alliance, or SOMA. UPA is currently engaging the government in the Kenya-led Tuman Initiative talk for sustainable peace in South Sudan. Kwany says South Sudan was at a crossroad and that is joining the opposition would amplify the voice demanding reforms. Due to the suffering our people are going through, we should find a way of rescuing the country and the people, and this is what real SPLM and UPA are doing. He stated that the first agreement completely collapsed in 2016 and only 10% of the second agreement has been implemented. This is the reason we need to come together as a leader, both in government and opposition, to end the suffering and let the people live in dignity, he said that. The opposition official say the country was suffering and that it is incumbent upon every nationalist to rescue it from a total economic collapse. I have decided to join those willing to rescue the country. I did not join for a position. In South Sudan, whether or not you have a position, everyone is suffering. Bor Kwany stated that. Fundamentally, there is a need for political dispensation that put the interests of the people first. He added that. So again, shilling on ka talk English and we ka kuma na mo ko gweje no kan bonan kono sharin mat be kan mal yig no ngre we ka so Sudan agenda na gorde nyoga yekel en gore bi nyoga ne ko ken bi atika mal bye bye.